Hello there, my tools. Welcome back to my channel. This is another biotin follow-up update. So if you guys have been following along with me on my journey of taking the Revly biotin complex supplements, then you've already know that I've been experiencing some acne from taking this supplement. Before I get further into today's video, if by chance you're interested in purchasing your very own Revly biotin complex, this supplement is sold online at Amazon. This is an Amazon brand supplement. And no, they're not paying me to tell you guys that. I've paid for these supplements out of pocket. You guys, so let me just jump right into it. For any of you guys, for anyone that's jumping in, for anyone that's checking out this video for the first time, I do have 2 other videos prior to this one, so you probably want to check that one out to bring you up to speed to where we are currently. Just a quick recap. I purchased these supplements from Amazon and received them on July 21st, which was on a Thursday. It has now been a little over a week that I have been taking these supplements. Early on, about 4 days after taking the supplements, I did share with you guys that I did experience some breakout or acne from taking it within just a short span of time. And so with that being said, I continued to experience more acne from taking the supplement. So let me just zoom in a little bit. So initially, this is the pimple that started brewing a couple of days ago when I did that follow-up video. And so now it's starting to go away. And that is just simply because I started to up my water intake and just using proper facial cleansers as well. However, you guys probably can't tell, but right here, I started to get a pimple there. And again, same thing with the other one. I upped my water intake and it's starting to go away. And I do apologize that I'm white in this area. Y'all, I do apologize. I literally just got out the shower and I decided not to moisturize my face because I want you guys to really see the real truth. Okay? So typically whenever I get out the shower, the soap that I love, it dries my skin out. And so that's why you see all that ash on my face. Just want to stress that. Okay, so getting back to the video at hand. So acne is one of those symptoms that one may incur if they take biotin. This is not something that happens to everybody, but it's definitely something that happens to me 90% of the time whenever I take any type of biotin supplement, with the exception of one that I've been able to take and I didn't have these types of results, but that's another video. Okay, so another thing that I found within this week's time, a little over a week's time, is that I have been suffering with dry scalp. Now you guys probably can't tell now because I went in and I moisturized my scalp, but it was white all up in here. And this is typical of taking biotin. So whenever you apply a biotin product or you take biotin supplement, it can cause skin irritation and rashes in people who are sensitive to the B vitamin or other ingredients. So it could be the biotin, but I do know this supplement also consists of other vitamins, and I believe I mentioned that in the previous video. Y'all, I don't have my glasses, so I can't really read the writing, but I can't say indefinitely it is from this supplement or not, but I have noticed that I've been experiencing that since taking this supplement. So that is my weekly update of taking this particular supplement. I will continue to keep you guys updated. This is a 30-day supply. So we got roughly a little under 20 days because we're a little past the week's mark. So we possibly got about a couple of more days to take these vitamins. If you've used any of Amazon's Revly or Revly supplements, tell me what your thoughts are about it. Do you like it? Has it been beneficial for you? And let your girl know down in the comment section below. I'll see you too in the next one. Smooches.